Good morning, or good afternoon, good evening. It's Don Oxman again with the Hidenet Market Report Review covering North America, Latin America, and Europe. In Latin America today, Ronald Goel reports from Nuevo Hamburgo that fresh green prices this week are unchanged, but domestic business, which has been the case for seemingly forever, remains low. Tanners in Lydia-Pell, Brazilian tanners who went to Lydia-Pell, said it was only fair at best. There's not a lot of demand at the moment for Brazilian material in Europe. Automotive is the savior for Brazilian production. If they didn't have automotive taking approximately half or more of the production, maybe the highs would be half what they are today, which is now down to be 95 cents a kilo CFR for the average weight. And there's rumors of more declines, but nobody's getting over 95 unless there's really something special. In Argentina, the kill is good, but demand is lacking, and everybody's waiting for the shoe business to pick up as we get into winter. Automotive remains good in Brazil as well, in Argentina as well. In Paraguay, TR1 sold at between $1.02 and $1.05 this week. More information in our Latin American report with details, split prices, the whole chicken. In Europe, Andrea Guola writes from Italy that the Italian tanners are now driving the market in Europe. That they make the market. For a while it was China, but basically it's the Italian tanning industry that's doing pretty good and making the market. Calf prices remain crazy because of the Gucci's and those guys who don't care what they pay, they have to have the merchandise. There's not enough veal skins to go around. In the UK, Irish prices are steady in both those areas. European cows are also stable, which is surprising considering what's going on with the American cow market and a fall off in demand and heavy kills from America. And auto demand here, like in Latin America, is fueling bull prices and keeping them very firm. And U.S. wet blue has been selling well into Italy, and details of that and those prices are in both our North American market report, U.S. Week in Review, and in our European report. Speaking of North America, steer prices were firmly steady this week, no higher, but firmly steady, and there was some volume changing hands. In this week's edition of the U.S. Week in Review, we have a report on the status of the leather footwear industry in China, reported by the CLIA at our Hidenet APLF conference in Shanghai. We also have a report on American supply, hide supply in America, what it looks like for the rest of this year and going forward. There's also an article by drovers saying that is beef packer capacity enough? Kills were up almost 6% this year, and it could be the same next year. Is there enough packing house capacity to kill all those cattle? Combined export sales were 562,200 pieces. That's wet blue and rawhides. Exports outstanding are still very high, 4,550,000 hides. So demand in China is not good enough to take all these hides yet. Very high number. Combined export shipments were 581,000, which is an improvement, but we're killing 650,000. So again, export shipments are falling behind slaughter. And slaughter exceeds sales and shipments again. I want to remind you to read our This Week in Leather. You can get samples of how good it is on our website, hidenet.com, as well as our international report. If you source in 20, 25, 30 countries that we cover each week, you're going to find some very interesting and useful information. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week. Bye.